confirmed for the next 3 years Massimo Goldoni to the presidency of Federunacoma in the General Assembly held in Bologna on June the 20th.
Today in Bologna was held the General Assembly of Federunacoma, and in this particular occasion we had many items to discuss about our sector, about our prosperity, about the possibility to develop our penetration in new markets, and a formal act about the president. And the associated of Federunacoma decided to re-elect Massimo Goldoni, me, in this very important and very difficult moment to try to put the basis to go out from this very long period of 6 years, 2008, 2013, and I'm really sorry, but I think it will not finish this year. So we need to put many and many tools, instruments, ideas for our industries to try to excel in our export, our possibility to develop new market, and to have a very good impact to the Italian economy.
The Italian market for gardening and groundskeeping machinery closed 2012 with downturns in sales for nearly every type of product.
According to data developed by Comagarden, the association in Federunacoma, which represents manufacturers, based on statistics provided by the companies which take part in the Morgan Market Survey, the figures point to an overall decline of 11.8%, with 1,015,719 machines sold compared to 1,155,136 moved in 2011. Confirming the net decrease in sales of machinery in the gardening sector are especially those of consumer lawn tractors, plunging by 27%, small MMV, medium multi-role vehicles, plus compacts also down by 27.6%, and hedge trimmers and brush cutters off by 20.7% and 16.4% respectively. Other types of machinery and equipment showed less severe declines, with trimmers down 4.4% and leaf blowers and vacuum falling 3.7%. Conditions on the Italian market fit into a European trend, which was also negative, with sales falling by 8%, with, however, differences from country to country. Sales in France up by 5%, down 2% in the United Kingdom, falling 8% in Germany and off 3% in the Scandinavian countries. Data on Italy, which disclosed the lowest level of sales in the past 8 years, were also influenced by the trend in the final 2 quarters, especially the closing one, when the drop came to 19.5% compared to the same quarter in 2011.
The 2013 edition of AgriLevante was given a significant prologue with the second edition of Mediterranean Spring, organized in cooperation with Federunacoma.
The event, dedicated to the ties between greenery and the city, which brought together the spheres of agriculture and architecture, design and the landscape, took place in Bari, May the 16th to the 19th. The Mediterranean Spring, which will be followed in October by the Mediterranean Autumn, covered advance information on a number of important issues to be handled during the run of AgriLevante, the international exhibition of machinery, plant and technologies for agricultural production, organized by Federunacoma in cooperation with the Fiera del Levante, set for October the 17th to the 20th in the Bari Trade Fair Center, a key appointment on the trade fair calendar, especially for business people in the Mediterranean region. Among the most significant events planned for AgriLevante 2013 is the first edition of Agri4Energy Med Salon, organized in collaboration with AIEL on handling the use of agricultural and forestry biomass for the generation of energy in the Mediterranean environment, as well as the Life in the Countryside Salon, set up with the cooperation of the magazine of the same name published by the Informatore Agrario Group, specializing in the complete range of issues involving greenskeeping and recreational activities set in rural surroundings.
So also this edition of the online newscast from Federunacoma comes to a close. Check our site for any information which might be of use. So long until the next edition.